Hey guys, welcome to another video here with SirMalo Performance. As you can see, we're working on Project Muerto on the removal of the stick shift. Just the stick, the shaft. This should apply to 99 to 2007 Chevy Silverados. So first, you're going to have to remove your boot. It's 4 screws, T15 screws on the edges, which will be right behind the actual boot. You just lift up the boot, and then you have one there. You have one there. And then you'll have 2 on each bottom corner, on the corners, okay? Then your boot, you can sleeve it out, and then you're good. So now that we're gonna concentrate on the stick shift shaft, not the whole mechanism itself, just the shaft, we're gonna have to break this nut loose, very similar to a tie rod. Use an adjustable wrench. So right here we have this adjustable wrench, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is demonstrate how we break this loose. So now that I have it on that nut, what we want to do is not go counterclockwise. All that will do is tighten the bolt. So if you push up, it's going to tighten it. What we want to do is push down. We want to go clockwise. We want to go from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And just like that, the nut is loose. All right. We just want to break the nut loose, just so it spins. It'll come to a point where it doesn't spin. That's fine, just because there's no more threads. And then the shaft itself, we're going to be able to remove. Since I have taken it off before, it's a lot more easier. From the top, it's lefty-loosey to remove the stick shift. When I had to take it off the first time to put this upholstery down, which I'm not done yet, it was on there. You can see some of that brown dust on there. I'm going to definitely apply some anti-seize that you use on the spark plugs. Very easy to do. Just wanted to make sure to do a quick demonstration on this stick shift shaft removal process, just because I haven't seen any here on YouTube. If you guys want to hop onto my channel, SirMalo Performance, I work on plenty of project vehicles. Please check it out. And remember, when you put everything back together, it's just reverse order, okay? Please stay tuned, like and subscribe. Peace.